So this is the Xiaomi 14 over here. So before the Malaysia launch, we have a quick look on the device. So this is how the design looks like. And over here is the some of the key features highlight for the Xiaomi 14 over here. Okay. So let's just briefly check through. So you have the next gen, Leica optics, triple lens, 8 Gen 3. Very nice. So again, ultra thin bezels. Nice. So you can check out the cameras a bit. It looks nice. Yeah, quite nice. So right now you can do like 4K selfie video on the Xiaomi 14. That's a cool addition. Really nice. Yeah, so this is the Xiaomi 14. So they are also releasing the Xiaomi Band 8 Pro over here. Just quickly go through the specification. 1.74 inches rectangular AMOLED display, 22.5 gram. Nice. New quick release structure with metallic frame, 14 days of battery life. Not bad, not bad. So here you go, Smart Band 8 Pro. Looks nice. Look, it's so smooth. Smart bands are getting better. So there is no physical buttons on this Smart Band 8 Pro. Yeah. So this is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra that is launching soon in Malaysia. They are launching today. So before going to unveil its price, let's quickly go and check out the phone. So here are some of the specification features they are highlighting it. And here is some of the deals they are actually offering it. And also comes in one variant, 16GB RAM with 512GB of internal storage. Yeah. Feels very similar to the 13 Ultra, but definitely there is some subtle changes, especially from the back here. Look at the design. Looks so cool. And definitely the camera island now looks even much more slicker. It's a plus point. But nonetheless, let's skip these formalities a little bit. Again, we know this is like the best flagship for mobile photography and videography. So just check out the ultra wide. So this is the main cam, 2x crop, 3.2 crop, and here is the 5x optical zoom. Amazing. So yeah, this year they can also shoot like 4K selfies video, so that is generally going to be good for those vloggers as well. So as usual, this guy can shoot up to 8K 30 right now on all the lenses. That's one cool kit. So we also have a quick look on the white color version as well. So for the Malaysian market, I think we are only getting the black and the white color version. Looks nice. I think I kind of like the white color one. but definitely you're going to need a casing because of the vegan leather back cover. What do you think? So Xiaomi is also launching the Xiaomi Watch 2 for the Malaysian market. This is powered by the Wear OS by Google. So here is some of the specification. Okay, so I'm not going to go through too much on the specification. So here are the watch itself. So there's two physical buttons on the right side. On the left, there's nothing much. And yeah, you can see the scrolling animation here is smooth, buttery smooth, very nice. And check out the sensor, not too protruding, just perfect, very nice. And also there's a resin strap over here, love it. So if you really look at the watch bezel, yeah, there's a line indication as well. Just perfect, very nice. So Xiaomi Malaysia also brought in the Xiaomi 14 Ultra photography kit as well. So as you can see, this is the complete set along with the rings over here and the handle grip over here. Yeah, so looks fantastic. And yeah, so this is the handle grip, how it looks like. So you also have the physical shutter button, the zoom handle, the recording button. That's perfect, very nice. It looks nice.
Everyone is waiting for the price. So the first is the Xiaomi 14 series. I think I should stand here a little bit. For Xiaomi 14 series, for Xiaomi 14, we provided two variants, and the price will start from 3,499 ringgit. And this is for the 256 GB. For the 512 GB, the price will be 3,799 ringgit. And the purchase will be available from tomorrow. And also, as a bonus, if you purchase our Xiaomi 14 during the 8th of March to 21st of March, you will get a free gift of the Xiaomi Watch S3. And also, we have some support like Google One storage and extra warranty, and also the free screen replacement. And I think now is the most exciting moment. So what do you think about the price of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Okay, the price will be only 5,199 ringgit. And for Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the pre-order will start from tomorrow. And also for purchasing the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, we also you can get a free gift of our photography kit, and also the wireless charging stand, and also you will get the Google One support and extra warranty, and also the free screen replacement. And also this time for Xiaomi 14 series, we have the 0% installment program in our authorized Xiaomi store. And of course, you can get more detail on our social media or our website. And for Xiaomi 14 series, it will be available in our channel partners. So this time, we also working with our carrier partner Maxis. So Xiaomi 14 Ultra, it will be available very soon in Maxis shop. Thanks, Maxis. Okay, then later let me introduce for our new wearable devices, Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. The price will be at 399 ringgit, and also we have the early bird price if you purchase during the 8th of March to 21st of March. And for the Xiaomi Smartwatch S3, the price will be the 699 ringgit. And also we provide the early bird price. And for the Xiaomi Watch 2, the price will be the 869 ringgit. And also you will get the special price for 769 ringgit. And here is the all products that we introduced today. I hope you can enjoy this event and also enjoy and experience our products very soon. Thank you again, and thank you for joining. Thank you.